Hey guys, welcome back to the Chinese course on Taleek. I'm Yao Songmei. So, in our last lesson, we learned Yao, you, why, wei, which are combined by three simple finals, and we have learned all compound finals by now. Today, we are going to learn nasal finals group 1. As we know, a nasal final is combined by a vowel and a nasal consonant. There are two nasal consonants in pinyin. They are n, n. First of all, we need to know the difference between pronouncing n and so that we can pronounce nasal finals correctly. When saying the alveolar nasal n, the tongue tip should press the upper alveolar ridge, and the upper and lower teeth are close to each other. N, n, n. And remember to keep your tongue position until you totally finish pronouncing the syllable. This is also a difference from pronouncing the initial n. When saying the velar nasal n, which is also a single consonant, the back part of the tongue forms an arch, and the root of the tongue moves back. Press the soft palate, and your mouth is more wide open. N, n. And remember to keep your tongue position until you totally finish pronouncing the syllable. Okay, now we know how to pronounce two different nasal consonants. Let's start this lesson with the ones combined with n. They are an, n, yin, yan, wan, wen, yun, yuan. So for an, yin, yun, as you can hear from my voice, the pronunciation of them is a transition from a, i, yu to n. The secret here is that when you finish pronouncing them, your mouth is actually a bit closed because the way you pronounce n here. Let's try these syllables. Ban, pan, ben, pen, ling, min, yun, jun. As for yan, wan, wen, and yuan, it's like what we learned before. They are i plus an, u plus an, u plus n, and u plus an. Remember, when there is an initial in front of wen, we write wen for short. Let's try these. Bian, pian, guan, huan, hun, gun, juan, chuan. I know these ones can be difficult for many people. Remember the best way to deal with difficulties. You're right. That is to practice more and harder. Here's today's quiz for you, and see you in the next lesson.